With AI improving every single day, starting an online creative store in 2026 has never been more accessible. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the key steps you should take before creating your first digital product or physical product, so you stay organized and avoid unnecessary mistakes. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Now, before you jump into creating any design or listing your first digital product, there's one thing every new seller should keep in mind. In 2026, creating designs has become the simplest part of the process, but starting with a clear plan is what really makes the difference. Most beginners rush straight into designing. They open AI tools, generate a few images, upload them to Etsy, and then nothing happens. Not because the design is bad, but because they skip the foundation. And that foundation is understanding what people are actually searching for, how the market behaves, and how to position your product so it has a better chance of being discovered. So in this video, we're taking a more strategic approach. Before you create anything, let's break down the 3 key steps you should follow in 2026 to set yourself up the right way, whether you're creating digital products or physical products. Step 1. Knowing what people are already looking for. So, with tools like Alura Sale Samurai, it's easy to research real demanding digital product instead of guessing. For example, in Sale Samurai, searching for a keyword shows you common search terms, so you can focus on sub-niches with lower competition. And with Alura, you can see helpful information like listing dates and performance insights. Both also offer extensions that display this data directly on Etsy. Step 2. Choose one consistent design style. Instead of creating every style you can think of, choose one style you can produce consistently. The easiest way to find the right style is by looking at what currently resonates with buyers. When one design style performs well, shoppers often look for similar artwork, and a store filled with a cohesive theme is more appealing than a scattered mix. Step 3. Prepare your workflow for speed and clarity. You want your process to be simple and repeatable, not confusing or time-consuming. So, before designing, make sure your AI prompts are ready, your mockups are organized, your templates and file sizes are set. This way, you're not starting from zero with every new idea, and you're working with a clear system that helps you publish more consistently. Now, to create a wall art design with potential, we first need to identify a style that shows steady interest on Etsy. Using the Alura extension, I found a funny bathroom wall art style that was listed in August and has grown steadily since then. Another similar design that was posted this year still performed even better. This showed that this style continues to gain attention, and the great thing about this wall art design is that the same design can also be used for physical products, giving you more profit margin with the same artwork. And print-on-demand platforms makes this possible. You create the design once and the platform manages printing and delivery, and that's where Printify comes in. With a platform like Printify, offering physical products becomes more streamlined. Printify offers a wide range of popular white label products that you can easily place your designs on. It also integrates directly with popular online stores, and with the Printify AI model, you can automatically generate clean, helpful product information. Your design will appear on your store automatically, and when a customer places an order, Printify manages both printing and shipping without you handling the product yourself. Keep watching, because I'll show you step by step how to set this up. Now, before we start designing, I want to say this: selling on a platform like Etsy is great, especially if you're just starting out, but it's always helpful to have an additional online store outside of Etsy so you can grow both at the same time. Sometimes Etsy can temporarily restrict an account without giving a clear reason, so the process of setting up your own store is simple. Once you choose a platform, the next step is selecting your domain name, and instead of using .com, I highly recommend going with .store extension. So why? Because websites with a .store domain often perform well in search results and rank better on Google, and shoppers recognize a .store domain as a place to buy, which helps increase trust and clarity. That's one reason global brands like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and Emirates Airlines all use .store domains. Getting a .store domain usually costs around $29, but if you head to checkout and use the coupon code Endatah, you'll get it at a discounted price with privacy protection included. Even if privacy protection is turned off, you still get the domain at a lower price for the first year. And that's not all. You'll also get free access to the Plus version of Elevate.store when you register .store domain. This toolkit is designed to help online sellers improve faster and includes deals and discounts for essential tools like Canva, Shopify, and AutoDS, all free just for choosing .store domain. Now let's create the design. For this tutorial, I'm using Ideogram AI. Before generating, I wrote my prompt in this format. In a realistic style, imagine a frog relaxing in a bathtub with a floral shower cap in a black and white style. I pasted the the prompt, selected version 3.0, chose a 2:3 aspect ratio, picked general as the generating style, and left prompt magic turned on. These were the 4 results I got, and I've also created a list of similar prompts you can use. I also put together a wall art starter pack that includes 600 prompts, 25 wall art mockups, 10 thank-you pages, SEO and sizing guides, everything you need to work faster and stay organized. The link is in the description, and special thanks to my Patreon members for supporting this tutorial. Now, once your design is ready, upscale it using Let's Enhance so it exports in higher quality. After that, send it to Printify and prepare it for printing. When your store is connected, select poster from the catalog and choose the frame of your choice. After this, import your design into the frame and select your preferred size. Once you are done, Printify will automatically generate basic product details. But to make your listing more discoverable, use the Printify AI model. Just enter a short description and it will create a clean title, description, and tag suggestions. Once everything is set, upload and publish. Finally, if you found this helpful, feel free to grab the prompt list in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.